Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make egg Kothu Parotta. Heat oil in a wide pan, sauté onions until translucent, then add green chilies and tomatoes and cook until soft. Push the vegetables to the side, pour in beaten eggs, scramble gently, and mix everything together. Tear parotta into bite-sized pieces, add to the pan, and toss with spices and cilantro until well combined and heated through for a tasty street-style meal. Start by heating the pan until hot, then add a splash of oil for a quick sear. Add the torn parotta to the pan and toss on high for subtle charring and texture. Combine scrambled eggs and sautéed vegetables with the parotta, sprinkle spices evenly, and toss continuously so flavors meld. Adjust seasoning, add cilantro and lime, and serve immediately while hot for the authentic, comforting street food experience of egg Kothu Parotta. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great after long market runs and spicy cooking experiments. It's a small thing that makes driving home nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals before you go, and if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up. Now let's get back to the video. If you want variations, try adding cooked chicken, shrimp, or paneer for different textures and proteins. Swap oil for ghee to boost aroma and develop crisp edges on the parotta pieces. For a fresher bite, reserve some raw sliced onion and fold it in at the end to preserve crunch. Taste as you go and adjust chili levels for your heat preference, and remember this dish is forgiving and great for experimentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.